Here you can review the main products used to create this piece. The artist starts with application of some Studio Acrylic Sand Texture Gel, which is available in 4 colors: white, black, red, and yellow, as seen here. As you can see, the medium is fairly easy to manipulate with a spatula. It perfectly imitates the texture of sand. Prior to adding anything over this medium, it is recommended to let it dry completely. Once dry, the artist starts by pouring some midnight blue prism to create the water over the sand. She then adds another prism color over the sky and allows the 2 colors to interact with each other. She then moves on to pouring eggshell white prism over the sand to create the impression of sea foam. See a close-up of the Prisma effect colors that continue to interact while creating honeycomb effects. The sand medium being dry, it does not mix with the Prisma colors. Once the piece has fully cured, 48 to 72 hours later, the artist adds a touch of Pebéo glazing resin to make the water more translucent and add a more realistic look to it. Here you can admire an example of the honeycomb effect after it has dried. See how vivid the colors are, and notice that glass-like glaze the glazing resin has left behind, giving the water a wet and dimensional aspect. All of this makes for a stunning piece of art, easily achieved by both beginners and more advanced artists.